Let me reveal to you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. This will change your life if you implement it. The fact is, YouTube has completely changed many lives, and I know that sounds like a big claim, but people are making millions of dollars, providing a lot of entertainment value and educational value to people, and they've been able to do this by running niche YouTube channels. What you're watching right now is a free course to help you do this, so make sure to take some notes. That being said, let's jump into it, and here's the exact roadmap that you must follow to get results on YouTube fast. The first step is to choose your niche. There are different ways to determine whether any niche will work on YouTube. For example, if you're considering doing a niche outside of these, you can do a market research process to determine if it will work, or if it's a waste of time. But there's a lot more to it than that. Let me know in the comments if you want a video about the best YouTube niches. Next, we're going to create our YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a name to use for your channel, you can use a tool called Shopify Business Name Generator. If you just type in a keyword related to your niche, it will give you a bunch of different business name ideas, and it's free. I'll put a link in the description. In all honesty, channel names aren't that important, but with this tool it can help you work faster, so why not? In order to cement your videos together within YouTube's algorithm, you need to have a consistent set of keywords for all your videos. Having similar metadata is really important. As a result, they all recommend each other, and if one video gets a lot of views, all of your videos get a lot of views, and you can use a couple specific tools like VidIQ to find the best keywords, rank them and organize them within a spreadsheet, and then give you the absolute best keywords to use. As part of this process, it is also crucial to optimize your channel correctly and set up the proper channel optimization setting. There are a lot of mistakes people make here, and there are some things you can do to prevent your channel from being hacked. Step 3 is then to create a list of at least 30 different video ideas. You might be wondering, why 30? That is usually the point when I start seeing statistically significant data in terms of impressions and views, so I can make clear decisions about what type of content we're going to generate moving forward and how we can improve the content. When we model what works, there's a chance that we'll see some videos take off within the first 30 videos. And tons of people experience this as well. And you might as well have already heard about the 30 video rules on other YouTube channels. If you upload around 30 to 35 videos and one doesn't take off, don't be afraid, because you're gathering very valuable data that you can use to optimize for the next 30 videos. This is usually where we'll see a lot of growth when it comes to getting videos. I prefer getting 17 from keyword research using a serving keyword tool, and then the remaining 16 from videos that are already popular within the niche. In step 4, you will generate and upload these 30 videos. As you do this, I highly recommend creating a systemized process for creating your videos, as it makes things a lot easier. By using software like Trello, you can essentially create an assembly line for making your videos. It's also crucial to follow the anatomy of viral videos. In addition to having great thumbnails, you also have to keep people's attention with your videos, which isn't too hard to achieve if you know how to do it well. Knowing where to find content for your videos is important as well. Both copyright-free content, so you don't have to worry about copyright strikes or anything. However, if you are going to use copyrighted content, you should know what fair use is so you can avoid problems. This is also where optimizing your videos comes in. There's also the option of hiring someone to make your videos. This is only a good idea if you already have a budget and are able to pay people, because it's a bit risky. When you model what already works, your risk is greatly reduced. Many channels outsource most of the content creation. It is definitely possible to do so on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Based on your analytics, step number 5 is to analyze and optimize. At the beginning, you can think that you have dud channels, because within the first 30 videos, it's hard to get any views. But you must analyze and optimize based off tiny factors you can look for if you know what to look for. There are a few key mistakes that most people make when doing this that can easily be avoided if you know what to look for. Step number 6 is monetizing your channel. This is one of our favorite steps because it's the way we can actually make money from our channel. There are many people who do it the wrong way, making 10 times more money than most YouTubers. You can increase your CPM, or how much money you make, by following certain steps. You can also do affiliate marketing correctly. Most people do this incorrectly. And what is the best way to make money from your channel? Step number 7 is to outsource the creation of content. A lot of the niche channels, the majority of their content is outsourced, meaning that they pay other people to create it. You might be thinking, what if I just want to keep making videos myself? You can totally do that and enjoy huge profits. Once you start making a lot of money from YouTube, I actually recommend investing some of that money back into content creation, hiring other people to create the videos for you. Consequently, you will be able to spend a lot more time doing things you are passionate about, like making more channels or spending more time with your friends and family, and this will free up a lot of your time. By creating a video creation assembly line, we can accomplish this task. All we have to do is come up with video ideas, upload them, and optimize them. Our next step is to hire people to write scripts, do the voiceover, edit videos, and create thumbnails. Now, here's one important thing on content creation. You may think this sounds completely insane, but it's actually possible by running translated versions of your own channel. Let's say you have an English channel and you're spending like $80 to $100 on each video. Then, let's say we create a Spanish version of that channel, and I will usually pay someone around $5 per minute to translate the video, do a voiceover, and cover any English titles with Spanish titles. If the videos are on average 10 minutes long, that's only $50 per video, which is another video that can earn even more money. Tons of the top channels do this as well. You have Brightside, which has been translated into many different languages. You have WatchMojo, which has been translated into many different languages. You have TechZone. Almost all of their channels are getting millions of views each month. And taking TechZone, for example, if you add up each one of those channels and how much they could make their entire operation, they would be making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. You can do this as well. Sometimes your Spanish, French, and a variety of other language channels get even more views and even make more money than your English channels. Now, some languages have a little bit lower CPMs and some have a lot higher ones. So you do have to take that into account. And you also need to take into account how much demand there is within that language. How to hire people, what to say for actually hiring people. In my opinion, it's an absolute no-brainer for almost any channel out there as long as there's demand within another language. If there is a lot of demand in multiple languages, then you just create a new channel for that language and translate your content into it. Now, here's a summary of the main points we mentioned. Don't forget to take notes. YouTube has changed many lives and allows people to make money without even showing their faces, provide entertainment and educational value through niche channels. The first step in building a successful YouTube channel is to choose a niche and do market research to determine if it will work. Next, you need to create a YouTube channel. It's important to optimize your channel and set up the proper optimization settings. To get started, create a list of at least 30 video ideas using keyword research and popular videos within your niche. Create a systemized process for making your videos and follow the anatomy of viral videos, including having great thumbnails and keeping viewers' attention. Promote your videos through various channels like social media and collaborate with other creators to gain more visibility. And finally, keep track of your channel's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your content and grow your channel. Now you know it's possible to make money on YouTube without even showing your face or making any videos by yourself. Let me know if you want me to make a video on the best niches in the comments. You can watch the next video now if it's already out. This was Success Manifest, and I'll see you on the next one.